Hey everyone, welcome back. Look, there's a car ahead. It looks abandoned. I'll drive closer to take a better look, and in the meantime, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Wow, this is a super unusual car. It has the numbers 6 and 7 on the roof. Is this like that popular meme? Wait, this car literally has eyes on the hood. That's very suspicious. And on the side, there are painted arms, and the whole body is covered in blood. This all looks very mysterious. There's something lying in the back of the cabin. Look, even the number is covered in blood. Oh, what is that creature? Why is 6-7 written in blood? Going around to the front, I see the tire is flat. I'll need to inflate it during the restoration of this mysterious abandoned car. The doors won't open, neither the back nor the front, and the front one doesn't even have a handle. Although I managed to open it. Let's see what's inside. What, a wooden leg? Heavy. Does it belong to some character? Oh, a radiator grill. Well, almost. So this is like an Audi 6th or 7th series. Interesting. Just as strange as this weird character. Guys, write in the comments if you know what this is and how these characters are connected to the 67 meme. Oh, here's another one. Very similar, actually. These characters seem like a pair, I think. What do you think? No way, a real torn off shark fin. Very strange things are connected with this car. Someone left a sneaker. How is a shark connected to a sneaker? Maybe you know. What do we have here? A clawed paw of a dragon or a lion. I don't understand. And you can see blood again. And what is this thing supposed to be? Some kind of strawberry stick. It looks like a fang or even a tusk, but with a strawberry? Alright, let's just start this car already and get out of here. Here are the keys. What is this? It doesn't fit. The steering wheel is still locked. Finally, putting it in neutral. Let's check under the hood. The hood latch is stuck. Could be better. Let's see. The oil is fine. The fluid containers are somehow not closed. The spark plugs are lying in the air filter cover, which is disassembled. The spark plugs are covered in oil. And while I'm restoring the engine of this abandoned 67 car, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss 6 or 7 more cool videos coming out this month. Okay, I'll install the spark plugs into the engine for now. Now I need to tighten them. Going to get tools. Here's our favorite toolkit. As usual, I take a wrench and a spark plug socket and start tightening. As always, all the way tight. Now I connect the spark plugs to the distributor so there is power to create a spark. The filter goes back into the cover and the cover goes on top. And I close it. Like this. All right, the relay needs to be put back. Looks fine. Closing it. Tools go back in place. Closing the box. I need to refuel the car, but first I'll release the gasoline vapors. Listen. I'll pour in 6 to 7 liters of gasoline. That should be enough. Now I'll go install the battery. Right here. All right, let's try to start it. The indicators are on. Neutral is set. And we're almost moving. The handbrake feels very loose. But the most important thing is the engine is working, so I just need to inflate that tire. And while I do that, tell me what interesting cars you'd like to see. I'll move out of the way so I don't block the path. Great, the tire is inflated, packing up. putting everything back in the trunk. Alright, starting the test drive of the 67 car. You know, it actually drives pretty well. If you liked today's find, leave a like, write comments, and subscribe, and I'll drive another 600 or 700 meters. Alright, let's take one more look at this machine. This is such an unusual abandoned 67 car. Bye everyone, see you next time.